Goliath Resources is literally sitting on a mountain of gold at their gold digger property in British Columbia. They now have a huge mineralized area drilled out and lots of growth potential on their property, including several possible new discoveries. The company is hitting high-grade gold all over their Surebet discovery. In fact, just today they released this absolute banger of a hole, 34.52 gram per ton gold equivalent over 39 meters, giving a gram meter result of over 1,300. Even though it is early in January, this will most likely be one of the best holes for 2025, an amazing high-grade and very thick hole. Stock has been up nicely here on this 2-year chart, whereas most of these resource stocks are down in the same time frame. As you can see, we are up almost 20% right now due to the great press release today of that fantastic hole. And the market cap is now at $165 million. This outstanding hit will add a lot of ounces of gold to their already huge Surebet discovery. If you look at this deposit model, you can see the massive size of the mineralized system with many, many veins intertwining within the deposit. The original Surebet zone in yellow is just part of the system now, but it measures an impressive 1,200 meters by 1,100 meters, an absolute monster-sized zone. The light green area is a new discovery called Golden Gate from last drill season and has a lot of upside growth potential along with the entire deposit. This deposit would be very easy and cheap to mine. If you see the vertical purple hash line, that is where the valley floor is located. So the deposit is in the side of a mountain above that valley floor. So the metal could be mined by going upwards instead of down, using gravity as an advantage. A lot easier and cheaper to mine upward into a deposit than to go down like in the majority of mines. There is still lots more signs of more mineralization extending below the valley floor, like the newly discovered deep zone. There's also very exciting potential to discover the actual feeder system located further below the deep zone. Discovery of a feeder system would be a game changer for the company, and there are signs in the drill core that they have hit very close to this feeder system. Lots more potential for a new discovery on the Gold Digger property. The jackpot zone, located 1.5 kilometers away from Surebet, had an amazing grab sample. Check out these incredible high numbers of 667 gram per ton gold equivalent, just a crazy high-grade sample. It could be part of the feeder structure coming up from deep in the ground and pumping gold into the Surebet discovery. They don't know yet, but it looks like a promising area that could really add to this story. Another area further to the north on Gold Digger that has a lot of potential for a new discovery is Treasure Island. This area has been drilled with 12 holes on it this year, with average mineralized intervals of almost 30 meters. There was also some high-grade samples in the area with a surface channel cut that assayed up to 28 gram per ton gold equivalent. Lots of interesting preliminary results, and I'm waiting patiently for drilling assays to come in. Here is a third area that has some great hints of containing another new discovery just 4.5 kilometers south of Surebet called the Blue Origin Prospect. They think this could be a reduced intrusion-related gold system, similar to Snowline Gold's now famous discovery in the Yukon. They found a vein containing sapphirite, seeing some smoke on a new discovery there. This fantastic story continues with the who's who of resource stock investors. Names in the stock include Crescat, Global Commodity Group, Eric Sprott, Rob McEwen, and Larry Childress. A lot of great names, and very unusual to see that many big names in a discovery story. It really speaks to the quality of Goliath to attract that many legendary investors. Management have done a fantastic job moving this project forward with 96,000 meters of drilling in only 15 months. They also had a visible gold hit ratio in their cores of 92% in the most recent drill campaign, and they still have 89 of those holes that are awaiting assays on. Looks like a great story here with a massive mineralized discovery of Surebet and lots of potential for future discoveries to drive the share price much higher. Surebet will be very easy to mine due to it being above the valley floor and contained in a mountainside. Its size and ease of mining make it a very likely takeout target for a major. A great company to play when this junior mining market rebounds. I own shares in the company. Please do your own due diligence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.